Miss me? I'm just kidding. Hello, my little sparklers. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. I feel like I've never done this before. I'm a little all over the place and discombobulated, but that's because I'm just really super excited, and I also have a lot going on. But I have a My Christmas Crate to unbox for you guys, and I'm just so excited. I love My Christmas Crate. They know I love them. This is a very good day for all of us. I've been quiet here on Very Merry Kim. Quiet no more though, because Christmas in July is right around the corner, and My Christmas Crate knows that. They reached out to me, asked me if they could send me a box to unbox for you guys, because they know that I love it, they know that you love it. So thankful to My Christmas Crate for sending me this to unbox, because I love it. But yes, they did send me this box to unbox for you guys. Disclaimed. My Christmas Crate is $30.95 per month, but they do give you a discount if you order like 3, 6, 9 months at a time. There will be a link in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out and get yourself a box, because we love them. This is the box for May. I pre-cut it so we can open it up because we know I have the problems with the opening of the boxes. Gonna give you guys the first peeky. Is it pretty? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. First thing on the top, we have the spoiler card. Don't picky, I like to be surprised. Let us love winter, for it is the spring of genius. Pietro Argentino. Pretty sure I said that wrong. Someone correct me, please. Let's get this cute little sticker thing off. That's a two-hand job. Oh, we have things. I'm just so excited we're here. We have bath bombs. Oh yes. My kid's gonna freak out. She loves bath bombs. Like, she is surprisingly sophisticated for a 9-year-old. Thaw out winter's a bear bath bombs. Soak Jack Frost away. So this is SLS, paraben, and dye free. I appreciate that. Why don't we use fancy colors in our bombs? Who wants to clean the stain in the tub after taking a nice long soak? Not me. Me neither! Thank you for thinking of the moms. What does our card say? Winter really is a bear. Warm up in the tub with these 7 soothing peppermint scented 100% natural mini bath bombs this winter and stop Jack Frost from nipping at your toes. 100% natural, made with real lavender, 100% natural, vegan friendly, cruelty free. I love that. And gluten-free, SLS, paraben, phthalate, and dye-free. Now I gotta smell it. Oh no. Well, that's just Christmas heaven in a bath bag. Oh crap, you know what? I say no and crap when things delight me. It's probably best not to examine that. This does smell so minty, pepperminty, delightful, but not in like a sickly sweet way. Like, this is like a refreshing, crisp, cool mint way, and I love that. Love that. Okay, next we have candy cane cookie bark. I love when we get treats. I just need treats. Handcrafted USA chocolate dipped candy cane cookie bark. A crispy sweet treat. Look how pretty this is. Indulge your sweet tooth with one of Santa's favorite cookies. Melville Peppermint Cookie Pops feature chocolate cookies in decadent chocolate coating with a sprinkling of fresh peppermint. Each cookie pop is hand dipped and custom made for My Christmas Crate. Basically, this cookie was made just for you, just for me. And I will be indulging in this before my daughter gets home. This looks like we have like a painting craft. Oh, cool. DIY painting kit. It's like a wreath with paints and you paint it. I think you get the idea. Best Pasyanki's DIY wood cutout wreath makes a great little craft to do on a cold winter's day. Express your love for Christmas with paint, glitter, and ribbon to make a one-of-a-kind ornament. Oh yeah, like it does have a little cutout hole, so you can put it on your tree. This is gonna look fantastic on my crazy tree, I can tell you right now. It might have glitter I can add to it too. I mean, duh, of course I have glitter. What's next? This is soft, this looks like socks. This looks like Snowman Socks. It's Snowman Socks. I love this like fuzzy, frizzy. You see how fuzzy that is? That I live in these all year round. What can we say? Our elves love Christmas socks. Me too. These were the perfect complement to a hot tub soak, a cookie, and a craft. Soft, fuzzy cotton with a hint of spandex in a fun and festive style that fits most. Oh, yes. Just this. Yes. Win. This box is a win, as per usual. Last thing. 6 money gift card holders with envelopes. Oh, what a good idea. That's awesome. When you want to send a check or money, you just have the envelope that you need. Let me tell you what's nice about money envelopes. When you get one, you know you're getting some cash, and that never sucks. So I just like when it's a money envelope because like I know that it's like we're set. Gift giving just got a whole lot easier with this 6-count set of hot stamped Christmas card money holders. Take the stress out of gift giving this season and give them what they really want. A little holiday spending cash. I mean, yeah, we all want cash. We all want cash. We want the cash. Give me the cash. And that is everything in the May My Christmas Crate. We have the money sending envelopes. We have this super fuzzy, adorable, look at this hat. Look at this. Gosh. Snowman Socks, this super cute wreath Christmas ornament DIY painting wood cutout, a delicious looking cookie bark sweet treat, candy cane, yummy, and these delightful peppermint bath bombs. I love My Christmas Crate. I think we all love My Christmas Crate. Thank you so much, My Christmas Crate, for sending me this box. I'm so excited. My kiddo's gonna be excited. I'm gonna eat this in like 5 seconds. Seriously. And you guys, I gotta let you know, Christmas in July is legit right around the corner. I'm in full-on preparation mode. I'm even like thinking of vlogging a lot of the prep that I do for it so you can kind of see that. I've got 3 trees lined up so far. I might do another one, not sure yet. I have like 6 videos planned for you guys, I think. I mean, I don't want to like say exactly because I don't know how everything's gonna play out because I am traveling for the next like a week and a half. So I gotta like work all that out. I'm really excited to be filming videos again and to be back for our nice breather of Christmas in July, our kind of halfway point to Christmas. There will be videos for it, 1 video a week for all of July. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me there if you want just a little more Christmas all year long, just some decor, fun, very merriness. Use the link in the description below to order your My Christmas Crate. You will not be sorry. What else do I need to say to you? To see a lot of my current favorite products you can find on Amazon, you can click or tap right here. And if you need a little Christmas cheer, you can click or tap right down here. Thank you so much for watching. I am so excited for Christmas in July. I hope you are too. And until then, sparkle on.